Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about red pepper and what it is. Now this is the red form of black whole peppercorns, and if you look in this jar you will see some red peppers in there, red peppercorn. Now this is not hot chili peppers, this is just the peppercorn. Okay, now what is this? When pepper is grown, they're harvested at different stages. The red peppercorns are actually fully ripe. It's the same thing as the black pepper and as the white pepper, but they're picked at earlier stages, whereas the red pepper is allowed to fully ripen on the plant before it is harvested. Red peppercorns have a sweeter, more mild flavor than the black peppercorns. True red peppercorns are hardly found in the United States, and that's why when you look at this mixture, this blend, there's red ones in there, but there's not very many in this combo of peppercorns. In this country, most recipes that call for red pepper are not talking about the red peppercorns that you see in this bottle. They're talking about ground cayenne or red chili peppers, which is not the same thing as the peppercorns. But they're great in a blend. I don't think you're going to find them sold by themselves because they're just not very plentiful in the United States. Well, I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.